Hello YouTube, what is up? My name is Mehmet Kara and today I want to talk to you why I want to sell some of my shares. No, I won't do tax loss harvesting as did Graham Stephan in his last video. I have completely different reason for this. Let's have a look. At the beginning of my video, I want to make a deal with you. If you smash the like button, I will smash a chocolate souffle for you. Any connection to the Elon Musk email to his workers at Tesla is a coincidence. I think it's a fair deal. What do you think? My channel is all about personal finance and building your wealth. So if you are interested in these topics, you can press the subscribe button. Now to the reasons why I want to sell some of my shares. Because I think there will be a market correction in the near future. Now to the reasons to this. You can watch this also in one of PPC videos. Jan is the YouTuber creator, he's very famous. I would say he's a legend about dividend investing. And he points out in his video that there are a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of investors are looking for high yielding dividend stocks. The reason is because they don't find value in any of the other investments available right now. So I'm also in the same opinion, because buying Coca-Cola share for $55 isn't a great value deal for me. Also buying Amazon shares for $3,500 is also not a great deal for me. Buying Tesla shares for $650 is also not the best deal for me. So the reason is that the current stock market is a bit overvalued. I won't talk in details about the Buffett indicator. I have prepared a similar video on this topic. I don't want to repeat myself, but currently it states that the stock market is 70% overvalued. Maybe you can say that the reason for the stock market reaching new highs, if you take a look at the S&P, the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq indexes, you could say that the reason is the money printing going around. But don't forget that the money in one economy is the sum from the money printed for all the money and from the credit, because they both are the money in one economy. And currently the credit is not so high because the people are losing their jobs and the bank don't lend them any new loans. So this is why we don't have too much money in the economy being pumped in, as we could expect after all of these trillions of dollars being printed. So this is why I expect that we could see a correction in the near future. And there is one more reason. You can check this in the Minority Mindset video about the 2021 predictions. The reason is that the stock market is always looking forward. This means we have already anticipated the vaccine and all of the positive news about the economy going on. So this is why all of those news are already priced in the market, in the stock market prices. But what will happen if the economy doesn't recover so quick as we expected, and when we see the fourth quarter results and they are not so nice as expected, or maybe in the first quarter of 2021, we could see a correction because the investors have already placed in the positive news and they are expected to have a recovery. So the only way after reaching those highs is, I think, down. We could see a correction which is up to 20% down, but we could see also a recession which is more than 20%. I would say maybe it will be between 10 and 20%, but this is just my prediction. I'm obviously not a financial advisor and you have to make your decisions by your own. But the strategy that I'm going to follow is to cash out some of my gains, because I did some fantastic gains, especially from my petrol shares on Occidental and of course also on Tesla. But on Tesla maybe I won't short the stock anymore, but definitely I will cash out some of my investments, and also I'll prepare some cash, as did Warren Buffett also. You can check also in the news about him that he's sitting on a huge cash pile. Obviously he's also looking around for some market correction to get in the stock market. Let me know what do you think about all of this news. Do you think that my logic is correct or not? Now it's time to keep my part of the deal. Now it comes. Here you have it. So now, thank you for watching my video. I will be obviously busy in the next minutes, but I will take a look to see your comments below.